In this video, you'll learn how to add real emotions to your AI voice using PlayHT, AutoLISP code for AutoCAD, and automate repetitive tasks in just a few minutes. First, open ChatGPT and describe exactly what you want your AutoLISP routine to do. For example, you can ask it to create a script that changes selected objects to a specific color, renames layers, or automates common drawing tasks. Once ChatGPT generates the code, review it carefully to make sure it matches your requirements. Next, copy the code and paste it into a plain text editor such as Notepad. Save the file with the .LSP extension so AutoCAD recognizes it as an AutoLISP file. Now open AutoCAD and use the upload command to load the Lisp file into your drawing. After it's loaded, type the command defined in the AutoLISP routine and press enter to run it. You can edit the code later or ask ChatGPT to improve it with additional features whenever needed. This is a great way to automate repetitive work and boost productivity in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.